right? If I take a gym membership, does it guarantee I will lose weight? Just membership alone. Okay. If I go to gym and use 100% of the equipment, am I really required to use 100% of the equipment or just? Okay. Is it necessary for me to not inform about my past health or educate my trainer about my background or just start the workout?
No, you need to explain everything. You are in training.
Okay, is it just I go to gym daily, I spend 1 hour, I socialize with people except workout. Is it fine? Will I lose weight? Why?
You are workout is very important.
Exactly. Thank you so much. You know where I am coming from. BNI membership alone is not going to guarantee success. What you do after coming here and what you do after going from here. I forgot to ask her one more question. Is it just the 30% of workout if you religiously do workout in the gym for 1 hour that contributes to just 30% or 20% rather? 80% is what you do after the gym. The focus you have on your lifestyle, the focus you have on your nutritional intake, the focus you have on your diet and everything, sleep and everything. So those all things also matter, right? Same is the thing with BNI. If you relate with that, then what we are doing is we are simply blaming ki, hey, I will not renew my gym membership because I took it last year, but after that there is no change in me. Hey, you didn't go to gym only. After you went to gym, you went time in socializing. After you went to gym, you just worked out, but after that you did not take care of your diet. So all those things are there. Same thing in BNI. What are we doing? We are simply blaming ki, hey, I am not going to renew because कुछ फायदा नहीं हुआ. क्यों नहीं हुआ? फायदा क्यों नहीं हुआ? हमने उसके ऊपर कितना इन्वेस्ट किए हैं? What is our mindset? Our mindset is transactional mindset. मैंने इतना पैसे दिए, मुझे इतने रिटर्न्स नहीं आए. अरे BNI is not transactional mindset. BNI is relationship mindset. You need to invest in relationship. Then people give you business. You need to invest time in them, in educating them. Who you are, what you do, how differently you do. She is a physiotherapist. Everybody knows. But how she is differently giving the physiotherapy services, that she need to educate others, then only people will think of physiotherapy, think of her. That's how it is. Definitely consistency matter. 10 दिन workout कर लिए तो body doesn't give you instant gratification. You need to consistently work out for those many days, for those many months, for those many years, then you see significant change. If you work out for 10 days, you can't see a pumped up body, right? Body doesn't give you instant gratification. Same here. It's been like 4 years to me. Look at Arjun Bhai and Kiran Bhai. All these people are very, very senior people. Why? Why we are investing years and years together? And as I said, 100% of the equipments are not for your body. Arjun Bhai always tells, 100% of BNI members are not your target audience. Find out the top, कितना बोलते हैं आप? 3%.
1%.
1%. 1% of BNI Hyderabad is your audience. Invest time on them. आप जिम में जाते हो तो ट्रेनर क्या बोलता है? जब ट्रेनर के पास आप पूरा बैकग्राउंड बताते हो तो बोलता है कि ये 5 इक्विपमेंट यही करना है हफ्ता भर. Go and talk to Arjun Bhai, go and talk to Kiran sir, go and talk to VS Reddy. They will tell you कि आपको किन 5 टाइप के लोगों से मिलना है, उनके साथ टाइम इन्वेस्ट करना है, उनके ऊपर रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड करनी है. Then only you will get the business you want. Look at our Bhavarlal Vyas. The way he started, the way he is today, he is growing. The number one lesson to learn from Mr. Bhavarlal Vyas is consistency. Do you see a single day in the business group जहाँ पे उनका मैसेज नहीं आता है कि आज का सिल्वर रेट है 1,20,000. आज पूरे BNI रीजन में थिंक ऑफ सिल्वर, थिंक ऑफ भंवरलाल व्यास हो गया है. इनफैक्ट संजना मैम भी जब बात करते हैं तो भंवरलाल का बात करते हैं. He deserves a huge round of applause. कंसिस्टेंसी पे फोकस करना है, हमको विजिबिलिटी पे, हम कैसा डिफरेंटली वी आर डूइंग आवर बिजनेस, ऑल दोस थिंग्स रियली मैटर. अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि BNI में ज्वाइन होके मतलब लीड नहीं, डोंट ट्रीट इट लाइक अ लीड जनरेशन इंजन. इट इज अ रिलेशनशिप इंजन. And you can't get a friend overnight, right? You need to invest time with them. You need to, build relationship after the BNI meeting. What you do in the BNI meeting, मैंने attend कर लिया, business आएगा नहीं. After that मैं उनके साथ time बिता रहा हूँ या नहीं, that matters. And किसके साथ? Are they falling into your top 1% category? Are you here to make friends or are you here to make business? At the end, you're here for not for socializing. You're here to make business. तो हम किसके साथ टाइम बिता रहे हैं और इनफ टाइम बिता रहे हैं नहीं? And are we being impatient or not? You need to have patience for 9 months, bro, for everything. So please, here also, you can't just take a membership and expect कि आते ही मुझे results आ जाएगा. नहीं आएगा. Forget BNI. In any situation, हर जगह पे कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है. Be it in business. अगर आप मेटा एड्स कर रहे हो वहां पे भी आपको एडवांस में पैसा डालना. You can't invest on Google ads. You can't invest on Meta ads and expect कि मतलब आज मेरे 1000 रुपए खत्म हुए, आज शाम तक ये मेरे पास 10 वॉक इन आ जाएंगे. ऐसा होता है? No. You get lead. You need to follow up. You need to expect an appetite कि भाई उसमें से 90% ड्रॉप होंगे, 10% आएगा. Same is with BNI. Consider it as a marketing platform. Consider it as a platform which is there for upskilling you. There is so much to learn. Why I am inspired by Mr. Bhawarlal Vyas is because he's really inspiring. Those who know BNI from day one, they know him and they know his growth journey. There's so many inspiring stories in our chapter alone. Why we need to go somewhere out? So all I am saying is, this is a big time, big situation wherein we do self introspection. Renewal is coming. And renewal के टाइम पे अगर आपको लगा है कि I entered into BNI without metric, again one more question to her कि जिम में आप ज्वाइन हुए without any metrics in mind कि मुझे 7 kg लॉस करना है, मुझे 5 kg लॉस करना है. No metrics, no merits. Things which do not get written, things do not get done. टारगेट होना चाहिए 5 किलो लॉस करना है 3 महीने में. टारगेट होना चाहिए BNI ज्वाइन करते टाइम कि मुझे कम से कम हर महीने 5 लीड चाहिए, मुझे हर महीने कम से कम मेरी एक वीक पॉइंट के ऊपर काम करना है, मुझे मेरी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल डेवलप करना है, मुझे मेरे डिसिप्लिन डेवलप करना है, मुझे मेरा नेटवर्क बनाना है. अरे यहाँ पे इतना बड़ा मारवाड़ी गैंग है, तुम लोग MBA नहीं भी करे तो क्या हुआ? इन लोग के साथ मिलो, टाइम बिताओ और उनको एक एक चीज पूछो. We have so many मारवाड़ी friends. You can spend 1 hour with them and you can be a better than MBA. आप उनसे धंधा सीखो. जरूरी नहीं एवरीबॉडी इज सेकंड जनरेशन, थर्ड जनरेशन. आप इनके साथ बैठो. आप if you want to learn, if you want to earn, BNI has tremendous opportunities. It is all up to you. आपको जाना है बिजनेस लाने के लिए. बिजनेस आपके पास नहीं आएगा. That's all I wanted to convey. Thank you so much once again.